Okay, let's cover increasing, decreasing, and constant. All right. As we move from left to right, if we're looking at a graph, if you're looking at a graph with the X and Y coordinates, or Cartesian coordinate plane, the inputs increase. So your X's are going from negatives to positives. So they're increasing. So if we're going from left to right, the X values are increasing, the inputs are increasing. The output, the function itself, is increasing if the outputs get larger, which means if you're looking at a graph and you see that it's going up as you're moving left to right, it's starting to go up, then it's increasing. If you instead see that if you're moving left to right, the graph is going down, it is decreasing if the outputs are getting smaller. If you see a horizontal line, or you see outputs that do not change, they're consistent, then it's a constant line. Okay, it's constant. And we always read graphs from left to right, just like we do a book. All right, let's talk about increasing functions. If you were to, put your finger on here and we're going left to right, what is happening to this line? Well, this sucker is moving up. So it's increasing. Same thing for this one, left to right. What's happening to this line? It's moving up. Again, increasing. If you'll notice here, your input, which is always X, as it is increasing, as it's increasing, your function of X, also your Y, is also increasing. 0, 1, 2, 3, it's going up. 4, 6, 12, 24, it's going up. So this is increasing function. Decreasing function, moving left to right. What's happening to this line? Well, that sucker's heading down, it's heading south. So it's a decreasing function. Okay, again, left to right. What's happening with this line? Well, it's heading down. So it's a decreasing function. And then finally, with your table, as your independent variable, your independent number, your X is going up, 0, 1, 2, 3, your function is going down, 10, 5, 0, negative 5. So that's a decreasing function, okay? Constant functions, left to right. What's happening with this line? It's not doing a darn thing. It's just staying constant. All horizontal lines are constant functions. If you notice your input variable, as it's going up, 0, 1, 2, 3, the output or the dependent isn't doing a darn thing. It's just constant. It's always 4. Okay. Now I had some of you ask me, but what about vertical lines? Well, they're not functions because the input is always the same, but they're giving us different outputs. So if you'll notice, your X value is always 6. So for that one, we had, let me put function of X and X for our table. If we go 0, 1, well, we can't do 0, 1, 2, 3. It's not 0, 1, 2, 3. It's just 6 every stinking time. But we're getting different numbers for outputs. We're getting 1, 2, we're going to get infinite number of outputs. So vertical lines are not functions, not a function. So we're not going to be dealing with these. Just wanted to make sure you understand they're not functions. All right, that's it for that part. I'm going to come back and do another one.